everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I hope you all are doing great in your life. And today I am here once again with my new video. And here I just want to tell you uh, I got some messages, and there are some people who have been asking me that how like I have been trying learning English, but I'm not able. Like it's to learn English is very hard for me. I have done so many sacrifices to learn English. I have been trying it to learn English, but it's not coming in my mind. I'm not able to speak. So I just want to tell you that uh, yeah, it's fine. It happened with me too when I used to learn English, and still I'm learning English. But it doesn't mean that you will stop learning English, because mm, there are some time the time will come where you will feel that no, now I'm not able to do that. I will not do. See, here I am. Did I stop myself to learn English? No. So the consistency is there in your learning, right? Maybe you are learning English, but just for because you are, if you are a beginner, so you have to learn English. You have to practice English for 3 to 4 hours in a day, right? Continuously you have to speak, you have to think in English, you have to speak in English, you have to, if you want to abuse your friend, if you want to laugh, whatever, you have to do in English. Okay, you have subconsciously you have to do that. Right? So consistency, I think consistency should be there, and your passion should be there to learn English, because English is very beautiful language. I have learned, and these problems came in my journey of learning English as well. But see, I didn't stop learning English, and see here, still I am learning English. I have been learning this English. I love this language, right? So that's why we shouldn't stop learning English. Yes, fine, if you're facing these problems, not able, so many things you have done, still English is not coming out of your mouth, and you are very frustrated because of this language. So consistency, and calm yourself, keep consistency in your English. Read and learn as much as you can, and speaking is the most thing. Observe your surround, and try to speak those words in English, and love with English. Okay, while sleeping, while getting up, sitting, and standing, wherever you are finding anything, just think about English. Okay, that okay, if I ask for money, I have to ask in English. If I have to ask food, meal, so you have to ask in English only. Okay, don't think that Hindi, like I will translate Hindi into English will take the time. There is certain gap. Like if I'm saying Mummy khana de do, and then I'm translating it, it will take time, and it's not the right method to learn English, and right method to take out your English words out of your mouth, right? It's not a right method. English is a different language, Hindi is a different language. Okay, so that's why don't mix Hindi and English with each other. You have to learn it by your own heart and by your own hard work. It takes time, but literally, when once you will start learning this language, you will feel that yes, I'm getting up day by day, day by day. Start your morning, right? Start your morning with English. When you wake up, start with good morning. When you say good morning, if you are very passionate towards English, then this thought will definitely be coming. Okay, I have to speak in English throughout of my day. Good morning, morning, when you are opening your eyes. Okay, I have to start my day in English only. Okay, I have to say each and everything in English only. No matters what family is going to say, no matters what your neighbors are going to say. Just let them do their work and do your work. Let it be all the things, and consistency should be there. Love this language, you will be enjoying it, you are going to enjoy this language. That's all I just want to tell, that these are the problem, these problem happened with me too, but it doesn't mean that I stopped. I didn't stop, and I want you to never ever get stopped, okay, by just this language. Okay, learn this language very with passion, with the curiosity. It's very awesome. And this is that's what I just want to tell you. Thank you so much, and please support my channel and give feedback in the comment section so that I can also improve my English. Thank you.